Hey guys, you're watching Nestle TV. Welcome back to another one of my Get Ready With Me videos. I'm going to try to do a little talk through for you guys on this one. So bear with me and enjoy. Sit back, relax. Let's get right into it. So first and foremost, before you start, of course, you want to hydrate your skin. I already did my eyebrows here and I line them up with my concealer, LA Girl, and here I'm just gonna put on my Fenty foundation in the color 420. Make sure you blend that baby out. Blend, blend, blend. Yep. Now I'm gonna go in with my Beauty Glaze. I got this palette for about like 13 bucks, and I swear these colors literally are so they're so pigmented and very vibrant, so watch and see. I'm gonna start off with that hot pink in my crease. I'm just gonna tap it on to begin with. Tap it on throughout the whole crease. Make sure to blend, definitely blend that baby out. Oh, baby, come be my lady. Check out my love, baby. Don't be late, baby. So African woman, you are sexy. I'm African girl. Can I know you better? Now I'm gonna go in with that deep purple right in the corner. And I'm gonna go back in the crease and tap that on first, and then we're gonna blend it out. And then we'll go back with that burgundy color, just to blend those two colors together. And then I'm going to go in with my Anastasia eye primer. Put that on my eyelid. You can just tap it on like so. And make sure you blend out the edges so that when you're putting on that that color, it can blend pretty well. Like it done to you, so baby, can I be a mister? Can I be bad man musician? And if you want to know where I come from, I be bad boy from Port Harcourt. She says she don't need the maraba, she no man, she go find. In that same palette, I'm gonna go in with that light purple, and I'm just gonna start packing it right on top of where I put that eye primer. See, if I didn't put that eye primer, this color would not show up. I promise you it wouldn't. So then I'm going to go in with this bright red just to throw on some more color on there. Oh my goodness, so pretty. And then I'm going to go in with my NYX black liquid liner, as well as the white liquid liner. And you want to just take your time with this. Make sure to put on some mascara before you throw on the lashes, that's for sure. I love this mascara by L'Oreal. It's a lot like the Better Than Sex one from Sephora, just cheaper. So, quick note. Again, I'm using the white liquid liner by NYX, and I'm going to put that in my crease just because I'm going to end up putting a clear glitter type of liner over it, and I just want it to show a little bit more. This is that glitter liner that I'm gonna put over that crease. And did y'all peep my nails? Hit that notification bell so that you guys can see when I post my next video. I'll be showing you guys how I do my own acrylic nails. Say I go pay like it done to you. So baby, can I be a mister? Can I be bad my musician? Next, I'm gonna put on my Adrel Wispies. Literally, lashes make such a huge difference in your makeup. Then I'll take my contour stick from Fenty Beauty in the color Espresso. Then I'll blend that baby out. Blend, honey, blend. I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. Literally the best concealer I have ever used. Say I go follow like zombie, so say I go pay like it done to you, so baby, can I? Make sure to blend because you don't want any harsh lines, so blend that baby out. Then I'm gonna go with my Sacha Buttercup. I love this setting powder. Literally been using it for years. She no man, she go find me come beggar. Oh, to do beggar, love me. Why she no want him on you? I got these 3 shades from Sephora, Makeup Forever. And I'm gonna take that burgundy color and throw that on my cheek. Boom, boom. Then I'm gonna take that brown contour color and set my contour with that. Next, I'm going to take my MAC finishing powder in the shade NW45. And then I'll just brush off the excess setting powder with that. Say I go follow like zombie, so say I go pay like it done to you, so baby, can I be a mister? Can I be bad my musician? I'm gonna take my solid white liner by NYX, and I'm just gonna put that on my waterline. And then I'll take those 2 shades, the red, the bright red, and then the bright pink as well. And I'll just throw that in my under eye. And then I'm gonna go into this palette, another cheap palette that I got from Amazon. I'm gonna take that white chunky glitter and put that in my tear duct. Baby, can I be a mister? Can I be bad my musician? And if you want to know where I come from, I be bad boy from Port Harcourt. She says she don't need the maraba, love. She no man, she go find me come beggar. Oh, to do beggar, love. Why she no want him on you? I wonder. She said love you the flow, like wonder. I love the ways in the road. And we are almost done, people. So for finishing touches, I'm just gonna go right in there with my Fenty Beauty. You already know how I feel about this damn highlighter. It is so bomb. Literally gives me life. Say I go pay like it done to you. So baby, can I be a mister? Can I be bad my musician?
And if you want to know where I come from, I be bad boy from Port Harcourt. She say she no need the maraba, love. She no man, she go find me come beggar, to do beggar, love. Why she no want the money? I wonder. She say love it the flow, like water. I love the ways in the road, why not, why not? You are my lover. Can would you be my lover? 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 Say African woman, you are sexy. Say African woman, she dey sweet. African woman, you beautiful.
Yo, this Fenty highlight is literally everything. Don't you guys agree? I'm just topping it off with my Metallist highlighter. And oh my goodness, this lip gloss, y'all. Bougie beauty. I am impressed. Wow. This lip gloss is literally so nice. My friend came out with her own line. I will be putting that link in the description down below and you guys can check out her products.
Can would you be my love? Say African woman, you are sexy.
And that is it for now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Until next time, bye.